Hey, it's Brittany, and I am back at the Magic Kingdom. I'm actually at the TTC. This is my first solo trip to Disney since we've moved here. Blaine was supposed to come with me, and then he wasn't feeling well. So I'm here and super excited for my first solo trip in a hot minute. So let's head into the park. Also, don't forget to like button and subscribe, and we're going to be checking out some Magicband Plus stuff, hopefully. All right, let's do it. Okay, I think we're going to be taking the ferry boat. I don't know if I'll make this one. No, I think I have to hit the next one. But we haven't done the ferry boat yet, so I'll wait for the ferry boat. I'm in no rush tonight. Like I said, I want to check out Magicband Plus stuff. But really, truly, besides that, I have no plans. Maybe we'll check out the fireworks. I want to try to hit Splash because Blaine hates Splash. So I'd like to hit Splash Mountain without him, so then I don't have to force him onto it. But yeah, oh, the view over here of the castle is gorgeous. I love the ferry boat. Yeah, it looks like it just started going away, which means one of them should just hopefully start coming this way. So we will just wait for the next one, which is totally fine. You can see the Poly, Grand Flow over there. So fun. It's beautiful. Also, so much better at night when it comes to the heat. Like, the sun is obviously setting, so we're gonna get that beautifulness. But I'm so excited. It honestly feels good to be here by myself. Sounds dumb, but I love it. I feel free. And here comes the next ferry boat. Looks like we're boarding the Admiral Joe foul.
Standing or sitting on the stairwell at any time, or on the stairs at any time. Keep arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times and refrain from putting packages and small children on the handrails. Once again, welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be departing in just a few minutes.
Fry us and eat us each. Look at the Grand Flow. All you see is the sunset. We off the hook. We're gonna come right over here to the left. Look at that sunset though. Yes. Oh, just stay at the bungalows. That's what I would love. So fun. I'm so excited. The boss played, the boss. We made it. Now it's time to scan in. I love coming at night. It's not hot, and like no one's coming in at this time. It's pretty great. Whee! And golden hour is gorgeous, so you can't miss it. We are in, and we are walking into the park, trying to avoid everybody walking out. So exciting. It's so pretty. Let me flip you around. Oh, this is a beautiful evening here. It's warm still, but definitely not like I'm gonna die hot. So that's what I like to avoid. To meet Mickey and Minnie, it's 60 minutes right now. But we are going to head into the Emporium to look at some Magicband Pluses. Oh, it's so nice here. I could, almost cry. Yeah. Look at that view. Ah, so pretty. I'm gonna cross right here. Ooh, try not to run over people and trip. Okay, into the Emporium we go. Let's see how crazy this is. Okay. Now I gotta find them. Potentially, somewhere. I'm looking. And keep on going. I'm guessing I do not see them. We'll see. Keep going. Okay. I'm not really sure where the magic bands are in here in the first place, so it's not, oh, they're right here. I can see all the cast members restocking as fast as their little fingers can. Dang. So cool. All right. Oh my gosh, there's so many.
I could do, but I forgot.
I want the princess one. Then I think Blaine wants this guy. Yeah. Bands acquired. Okay, I'm gonna go pay for them. I got Blaine, he wanted this one. And of course, I got the princess one. Sweet. I'm gonna go find a place to sit down and set this guy up. But I'm super excited. They had everything, like all the styles. They were restocking them as I was standing there, as you saw in the video. So there is plenty for everybody. So don't freak out if you're coming to the parks. They even had the pink 50th with, I don't think I saw the blue 50th. I had to check the video, but I saw the pink 50th. So they still have that one at the Emporium. So like I said, don't freak out, just check it out. And they've been restocking them throughout this whole day. So, and yesterday. And this is the second day, the day after they officially came out. So, I'm excited. I got my princess one. I'm stoked. We're gonna try to wade through the crowds, but look at the castle. We're gonna head towards, actually I'm gonna make a loop. I'm just gonna make a loop, because I'm heading towards Tomorrowland. But I swear everybody's going every which way, and I'm just gonna walk one way. I'm gonna walk one way and I'm gonna stick with it. So here we go. Look at this. So pretty. Actually, I'm gonna go this way because I know of a spot that I think I can sit down. Fireworks don't start for about another hour. So I'm going to go this way. This way, this way. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. Just like I wanted. A bench. Okay. So I got my Magicband out. It is currently, it paired to my phone, and now it's updating, which I have seen on everybody who's gotten Magicband Plus, that you have to update your band. It just seems like it's just one of those things that you have to do. So it's updating, and I did bring something to charge it with, but it does say it has partial battery, but I will still probably charge it. But yeah, you go into your My Disney Experience app and you just click Magic Bands, and then you can follow the instructions from there. It was actually quite easy. Alright, so it's still updating, but I'm charging it at the same time, and it comes with just a little charger, so I just brought my little portable charger, and we are good to go. Alright, Magicband is currently charging in its bag.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And I am on my way to, hopefully, the People Mover in Tomorrowland. So, everybody is lining up for the fireworks, which, knowing me, I'll just probably like walk up and watch them. But I'm gonna let my Magicband charge while I'm on the People Mover, and then we will go try to test out some statues. Just super exciting. Ooh, falling around. I need to find a garbage because I have my empty Magicband container. Ooh, I see one coming up. All right. I'm walking the opposite way everybody's coming, and that's awesome. Okay, garbage. I think this is recyclable. Beep. It's actually like a really good place to watch the fireworks from. Yeah. Okay, look at that. So nice. My ears do light up, and I will turn them on once we're done with the people mover, hopefully, if it's running and not too long of a wait. But we have about an hour until fireworks, and the people mover is the only thing I want to do before fireworks. So I think we will be successful unless it's randomly down, which could happen, but hopefully not. Hopefully not. But everybody seems to be exiting, which is great. At least good for me. Or they're heading to the hub to get started with fireworks. So, okay. Alright, making a loop. Woo! Okay, unpopular opinion, but he scares me in there. Absolutely can't stand him. Freaks me out. Gives me nightmares. Kind of reminds me of the characters from the show Dinosaur as a kid. I think it's I don't know if it's called Dinosaur, but it was the one where, like, I don't know, it's like a little family of dinosaurs and they have like a baby dinosaur and they all talk. It's really creepy. That's what it reminds me of. So, not a fan. Not a fan. Let's just put it that way. People Mover is currently stopped, but there are people on it. And the People Mover is a continuous moving ride, so it oftentimes will stop. So I'm just hoping that that is just a delay of somebody trying to get on the ride and not it closed. Oh, please, I really want to go on the People Mover. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Instantly feels so much better out here now that the sun's down. Like, so much better. It's insane. I don't want Astro Orbiter. Okay, there's a line for the People Mover, which is fine. Oh, it's moving again. Okay, I think we're good. So let's just go hop in line. Because I love me some People Mover, and I'm super stoked. Just like, look at that. Oh. Gorgeous! Stunning. Stunning. Alright. I'm going to hop in the line. I don't even know how long the line is, but it doesn't seem like it's too long. And it's not super hot, so I'm fine waiting in it. Alright, it looks like the walkway is closed. Gotta walk up the thing. Yeah. Get those steps in. I got my own car. I got my own car.
Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close.
Look at all my friends.
Enjoy your journey.
So fun. I love this ride. Whee! Whoa, I forgot how fast it goes. I love it.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise.
Yay!
I'm Y5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers,
Whoa.
please do not take them while aboard. Thank you.
Here we go. The view is coming.
Next
So
station
pretty.
is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer
Here we
to
go.
green and red
There it
lines.
is.
Don't worry, your express
Yeah.
train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my
There
favorite
he is.
spots.
Woo!
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress
Epcot.
City inspired Epcot?
Yeah, it did.
And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, There's even a tiny people mover.
Oh.
I wonder if that means there's a tiny oracle.
It's my Tron update. Castle. It's coming along though. There's still Imagineers out there walking about too. Oh, I cannot wait for this to open. Wow, they're trucking along for sure. Look at that. That's gonna be so cool. So cool. Woo! Woo! Space Mountain! It's Tom Morrow.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Oh, this is a perfect time. Ooh, we're gonna cross. Woo! Oh, yeah.
One eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
That's what I want to see. Woohoo!
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority
Magical.
Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people mover
Oh,
journey
no.
has nearly
Time to
come
get
full
off.
orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you along. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part.
It whips
Because
you.
now is the time. Now is the best time.
I love this
to
ride.
go out and explore tomorrow.
Just got off People Mover. I think I'm gonna go check on the wait for space. But we only have like a half hour until fireworks. So maybe single rider will be open. I highly doubt it. But it's worth the shot. Sometimes they have it open. I don't know. Does space usually do single rider? Because, well, it is a seat of 3. We'll try it out. What the heck? We'll see. We're walking over to it now. So it says standby is 40. Lightning lane. I'm not sure if there's single rider right now. And the fireworks are in 30, and I know sometimes they pad their wait times, but I also want to test out my Magicband, and it's out here, so I think we're gonna wait and maybe come back. But after the fireworks, I'm gonna go straight to Splash if it's still open. If not, we can come back here, because hopefully everybody will exit the park after the fireworks show, and it'll give me more time to hit a few rides before I have to leave. So I'm gonna pull over, put my new Magicband on, and then maybe we'll find a statue. But I know that it also goes with the fireworks, so we can at least see it with that. Maybe we'll catch a statue on the way out when hopefully the hub empties a little after the fireworks show later. But yeah, so let's kind of go to the hub and maybe try to find a spot for the show. Okay, I got my band on. So if you have tiny weird wrists like me or a child with you, each Magicband, even the regular ones, you can take off. Let me get into some more light to show you guys. You can take off the little extra band. Obviously, once it's off, you can't put it back on. But this is the only way that these fit me. And I'm a grown adult. So you just take it off and throw it away. And then it can fit like little kid wrists, or like I have like freakishly small wrists. So now my Magicband fits. Here she is. Look at how cute. It's got all the princesses on it. Yeah, it just fits. So, little tip for y'all with Magicbands. Okay. I can't seem to get my Magicband to connect to my phone, so I don't know if it's gonna light up with this show, but that's just kind of what you get not really knowing what the heck is actually happening. So yeah, I'm gonna just try to find a spot for the fireworks show eventually. It's packed. I wait till last minute to find a spot, so that's on me. But yeah. So we're just gonna walk this way and see what happens. cool here. There we go. Splash, and I honestly don't know how. So I'm gonna try. Okay. I found a new family, and we're heading to Splash. Hopefully. Ah, there she is. I'm still interested in what the wait time of this is going to be, but you know what? We're here. No! Don't say that! Don't say that! But you're right. It doesn't seem like it's going right now, and I'm very sad. Okay, we decided to go to Big Thunder because Splash is closed. So here we go! New family! New family! Woo! I love the energy! Oh, I forgot how fast that was.
My boys, man.
I ended up meeting a really nice family after the fireworks show, and we rode Big Thunder and Space Mountain. We were trying to get Splash, but it was closed the whole rest of the night. So I've just been basically running around with them. So shout out to you guys, Amber and Ethan's family from Illinois. So this has been super fun. It is beautiful at night. I've loved it. It was so fun to run around with them. That's why I love solo Disney nights, because you get to meet people. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. And hit that like button and subscribe. See you real soon.